Don't suppose you've ever heard of Drunken Teddy and the Bishop's Lady? It's so calm here. It's just mad to think how crazy the weather's going to be later on. Just driving here, there's a load of... Oh, there they are, there they are. There's so many deer here. Wow. Oh, there they are, they're... Oh. Yeah, we'll never see them. Oh. Jesus, this is muddy. Oh. Thorns in my arse. Let's put you in here while I get me boots on.
There's a good one on the tree.
You wouldn't think it with how beautiful the weather is right now, but it's meant to get a bit hairy through the night. A lot of rain coming in, so we'll be in our tents. Won't make a difference. So this is the first time in a good couple of weeks that I've been out just with, you'll see my last video there, I just gave an update of what's going on. But yeah, just a weird redundancy process and going through jobs and everything. So, and it's still weird, but I had to get out. And I'm joined by Ian, my mate Craig, and a lot of deforestation. Jesus. I'm on the way up. Load of deer. It's so cool. On both sides. So yeah, I was hoping that we might see some on the way up here. Looking forward to getting up here now. It's been a while. It's been a while. Jesus, soggy as hell. Soggy as hell. It looks amazing now. I still can't believe how much wind and rain is coming in at the end of the night. It just makes absolutely no sense. This bloody Irish weather. Oh. So I brought the 2-person tent with me tonight. A bit more room. And plus I can take the inside out for the morning and have a breakfast in there. So happy days. Oh. My birthday hike. Not far to go. Oh yeah. God, the water's so clear. I'd say the rain we had the other day, I say this was like an absolute river. Jeez, there's some crack in the road. Unreal. Oh, that's a photograph now. Yeah. Wow. It's so calm here. Look at that. Turn on the light. Ooh. It's so calm here. It's just mad to think how crazy the weather's going to be later on, but the boys are setting up. Ian, the all ex-mid, and Craig is the ex-mid. And then I have the palace that is Xenon. I kept on calling it the Xenon when I got it. You know, X. Sounds like a Z, like. Whoever made up that language. Okay, I'm starving. I have to admit, this Hydro Pack bottle is way more sturdy than the Be-Free bottle. My Be-Free bottle punctured, but the thread on top, you can still use it with the Be-Free filter, so it's perfect. Yeah. Ho, 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 ho. Uh, 5-second rule. Oh. Cheers, everyone. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Now, time to get eaten. Oh my god. That looks amazing. That's beautiful. Oh. Guinness in a JETBOIL. Happy days. Oh, it's so bloody clear here. Around 2 o'clock the rain's coming in and it'll be fairly windy as well, like so. Be grand. Be tucked up in bed. So that's my Guinness, and I have some rum. Do I have to really go with a Stanley? But yeah, I have so much Stanley stuff now. Oh yeah. It's good to be out. I was walking through Limerick there the other day. I don't suppose you've ever heard of Drunken Teddy and the Bishop's Lady. It's like a ghost story in Limerick, but it was, Teddy was like a bit of a drinker, bit of a robber, and every time he was around they used to close the doors and do all that. But the Bishop's Lady, when she died, she became a ghost that went around Limerick City, and where he was sitting on the bridge, she pushed him over, and she was like the Banshee, we'll say, and she placed both her hands on Sarsfield's Bridge, and there's marks there that you can, if you're ever in Limerick, go to Sarsfield's Bridge. I took pictures of it the other day, so I'll throw them up there, but yeah, it's a really cool story. It's just to see the, we'll say, the handprints halfway across the bridge. Yeah, it's where the Banshee leaned on the wall to look down to see if Drunken Teddy died, which he didn't. He prayed to his maker and got saved. Oh yeah, good though. Can't beat some folklore stories. It's not folklore, is it? I suppose it is. Christ, it's so good to be out. Happy days. Finish this and get some rum into me. Cheers, everyone. Yeah, I've become a rum lover. Okay, I'm getting into the tent. Coming down now. Windy out as well. Good morning. Second rainy one this morning. I'm going to take the inside out and yeah, I'm going to have my breakfast in here because this tent offers a very big shell in the inside, so I'm starving. Jeez, it rained heavy last night and the wind was crazy, absolutely crazy, but grand. Okay, let's get the inner out. The hotel is open. Do you eat already?
Yeah.
Oh, fair play to you.
No, I'm going to go and do a couple of hours.
Oh, brilliant, yeah.
Now practice and then.
Yeah, I'm going to cook now. I think. Hello!
Can you hear me down there?
Sit in. Save you getting wet.
That's alright, I'm waterproofed up.
Sleep?
Yeah, I woke up for an hour between 4 and 5, I think.
Yeah, same as myself actually, yeah.
But yeah, the rest of it was alright. Not too bad.
Coming down now. Loving this tent. It's the whole reason I brought this tent, because I knew it was going to be really, really rainy in the morning. And just take out the full inside and just chill. Love it. Ian is gone. He's doing his mountain skills training. He's done the first one. He's doing the second one next week. So he's gone off doing some navigation. So, and I'm gonna chill out here for a while now. I'm not in a rush, so I'm gonna stay and just listen to the rain for a while. I love this. Just love it. Spotted a fox. Yeah. I was hoping the fox was going to come over this way. He was a big fox as well. Just couldn't get him. He was at the other side of the lake, but he went up that way. But at the top of this mound there is so many foxholes. So many of them. But yeah. Cool to see. Okay, I'm gonna get cooking. Okay, leave no trace, as usual. Natin. Right, let's get going. This lovely, rainy, windy morning. I love hiking in the rain. It kind of makes you think that, you know, if you looked out at this weather, you'd say, Jesus, I'm not going out in that. And then when you're out here, then it's it's brilliant. More deforestation there, but sure, look, I won't go on about it. But keep an eye out for the channel, and I'm going to be putting a group hike up, 1 or 2 of them. So I really want to get back into doing them, so yeah, happy days. But thanks very much for joining me on this very wet morning, but it was absolutely a treat sitting in the tent, drinking coffee, while just looking out. Yeah, it's been a while since I'm out, so this has lit the fires again. I'm already planning my next one already. So, and I have a good few reviews coming up as well, so keep an eye out. Anyway, as always, stay safe out there, and we'll chat very soon. And yeah, if you're with me this long, how about thinking of subscribing if you're not subscribed already, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Okay, bye.